Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video will teach you about how to know when the market is about to dump. Guys, I've predicted so much about the market that I'm able to make so much money. I've predicted Bitcoin to 80k and I'm going to add the proof to this video. I've predicted Bitcoin dumps several times in my Telegram and my WhatsApp channel, and they've come out so nice, and I've decided that let me show you guys how you can decide. There are just one or two tips or one or two things you can just check. Very straightforward, very simple. What you can do to get the best out of this video is to watch all the old videos and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Your subscription to my channel will go a very long way. So guys, without further ado, let's get right into the video. In this aspect, I will teach you about how to recognize sentimental analysis from other people, how to know what other traders are thinking, and how you can align that with your trading and investing decisions. Period, guys. So we'll be using two things to actually do this correctly. We'll be using CoinMarketCap and we're using a social media called Twitter. So for CoinMarketCap, when you go to coinmarketcap.com, come to this side, you see fear and greed. Click on it. So this is it. So fear and greed index, as you can see right here, fear and greed index, as you can see right here, as that I'm making this, is at 25. And it shows fear. Now, when there's fear in the market, what means is that people are selling their assets, and they are scared that this thing will eventually get worse. So everybody is selling. And when there's fear, the chart is usually bearish. That's the time you want to be selling. You don't want to be buying when there is fear, guys. You don't want to be buying. You don't want to be buying when there is fear, guys. You don't want to be buying when there is fear, because when there is fear, people sell. People sell the market, guys. People sell the market. So currently now, from the last month, you can see fear at 35, 20, 30. Now, extreme fear is even worse than fear. Extreme fear is between 20 and 10. Is between 20 and 0. That's extreme fear. Extreme fear is between 20 and 0. What I literally tell you is that when it is at extreme fear, people have sold so badly that it is only news or time that will heal the market. So then you don't want to be buying yet. You don't want to be, that's why you want to be looking for entries that confirms your sell decisions. So for instance, now let me show you Bitcoin. Because there's extreme fear, Bitcoin is the first market that will first experience the whole ish. You can see this region. See here, from year to year, look at where this arrow is pointing. From year to year, Bitcoin has been crashing. Since January this year, Bitcoin has been crashing. Look at the downward movement. So it's been 3 months now, and Bitcoin is still crashing. Guys, because there's extreme fear in the market, this is why this market is still crashing. To get to a point that this extreme fear might eventually turn to greed. Now, let's talk about the greed. Greed is between 50 and above, right? That is greed. Greed is 50 and above. I think greed is 55 and 60 and above. Yeah, 60 and above. 50 is neutral. That means there is no winner, there is no loser. Nobody is buying. I mean, there is equal buying force and equal selling force. But guys, when you see the index to be 60 and above, that is greed, which means that people are buying crypto. Then you want to join the market to buy with them. You don't want to be selling when everybody is actually buying, and you don't want to be buying when the whole market is selling. Guys, when the bear market comes, of course, I believe that the downtrend still continues. When the bear market hits, guys, don't follow them in buying the dip, because the dip can even get worse. The dip can get worse, guys. The dip can get worse. Have a strategy. Yes, you can buy when the market is down, but you must have a strong strategy, such as your technical analysis strategy combined with your fundamental analysis strategy. So this sentimental, when there is greed in the market, when you check and there is greed in the market, you want to be looking forward to long. When there is fear in the market, you want to be looking forward to sell. Of course, you don't just get to the market and sell. You want to have a region where you are thinking of buying or selling. Guys, you want to get a region where you are thinking of buying or selling. Now, another way you can now check the sentiment in the market is through Twitter. Yes, Twitter. So Twitter, what you want to do is you can search for sentiment analysis or any cryptocurrency on Twitter. It's simple. Just come to Twitter, press the dollar sign, and let's say you want to search for BTC, put dollar sign and BTC. So when you search it this way, dollar sign BTC, you can now read what people are thinking, what people are thinking, what people are thinking. Look at this. This person is also bearish. You can see this person is bearish, just like I'm also bearish. But guys, China is creating a strategic Bitcoin. Right? They unban crypto and inject $1 trillion into the market. Or learn BTC. All this, just take your time and read the news. Take your time and read the news. We didn't have the government backing when we took Bitcoin from 15K to 109K. Why is it such a big deal whether they buy or not? This is out of fear also. This is out of fear also. So read this news. And guys, when there is a very big news in the market, you surely see news like this coming up over and over again. You see it start coming up over and over again. So read the news. Read what people are talking about in the news. Just a reminder that Bitcoin has zero intrinsic value. Have a good rest night. These are bearish. Look at this. Bitcoin is likely going to 70K and emotional bias needs nothing. This is selling. People, so this is, look at this person. Maybe this is the last time you'll be able to buy Bitcoin for 5 figures. You can see these are bearish news. These are news that people are fearful of. People are fearful of. You can see. These are news that people are fearful of, guys. These are news that people are fearful of. So look at this. Bitcoin will be over. So read them. Take your time to 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 read them. Keep selling. Nothing to say except bank about. So all these ones, they are. You can see how these things are. So you can click on the latest to see people's emotions about what they think about it. Then another thing is you want to check. Let's check ETH. Now these two coins, they are coins that determines the general feel of the market. If Bitcoin and Ethereum is pumping, general market follows. If Bitcoin and Ethereum is dumping, the general market follows. So you want to take note of these guys. So let's use ETH. Let's check people's sentiment on ETH. What are people saying? What are other traders thinking about ETH? So reading, if there are news about ETH, people will usually see it here. If there are news about ETH, you surely see it here. Bullish for altcoins. You surely see them here. You can see all this. You can see all these news, guys. You can see all these news, guys. You can see all these news. So let's read this news. So these are some of the news that brings people to buy or people to sell cryptocurrency. So whether banks may act as node to verify customers. So these are news that affect the market, guys. Then another way you can now see, another way you can see what I called, another way you can see sentimental news is to go to your Telegram, guys. Go to your Telegram. Those channel I showed you in one of the videos, come here and check them. Read the news. Read what they are trying to say. Bitcoin is only 3% adoption in 2025. These are there are positive news, there are negative news. Binance CEO Richard said crypto market is seeing a tactical retreat, not a reversal. Crypto has been here before and bounce back even stronger. So just read the news. You want to see when there is extreme fear of people selling the market, you want to sell. And when there's greed, like people buying, investors buying, big banks putting in money, you want to think of buying. So these are ways we do sentiment. It's not rocket science, guys. You want to check people's emotion. It's not rocket science. When you see news of ARC, when you see news of top people selling, anything news that you can see that a very big person sells their cryptocurrency, run, because they're going to, the downtrend continues. So, and if you see news of ETF, buy it because the uptrend continues. So take care of yourself, guys. I'll see you in the next session of the video.